for all of us who enjoy binge watching series, reading books, playing the guitar, listening to music, or gaming in a laid-back style. We have just designed the most comfortable coffee table the world has ever seen. It's a stylish Scandinavian design that looks great in any living room. But it has a secret. It opens up, like Aladdin's cave, to reveal a soft, lush surface so you can put your feet up in total comfort. It is the perfect table for anyone who likes to veg out on the sofa. Even for a romantic dinner and movie night, you don't need to ruin the mood by getting up and clearing everything away. Just slide the top open, put your feet up, sit back, snuggle up and relax. Don't worry, your glass of wine will still be within easy reach. Support us now and make your life in the living room so much more comfortable.